morning.
What up?
Exciting day today. We're actually heading to a skydiving place for him to jump his first jump.
About to get my skydive on.
Yeah.
Super excited. Got that adrenaline flowing right now already. I was saying to Jessica, I feel like this might be the beginning
of an addiction.
An addiction. We'll
I
see.
hope not. It's gonna be so scenic, Boo, when you jump. Like you're gonna see miles of ocean, and it's gonna be gorgeous.
It's gonna be sick.
But I'm over here freaking 9 months pregnant. Can't jump, but next time maybe we'll do it together. Oh, you nervous?
The adrenaline. I'm not nervous. I'm like ready to do this already. Yeah. I gotta go sign my life away now.
Hey, don't say that.
You ready to go jump out of an airplane?
Let's go, brother. Let's go.
You excited?
I'm in.
Yeah, guys. Woo! Let's go have some fun, buddy.
Right, let's do it, man.
Hey, can you see Dada in the sky? Is Dada in the sky?
Alright, buddy, welcome back to Planet Earth. What did we think of that? You have fun?
That was sick, bro. You guys were awesome.
Well, dude, thanks for living life.
All right, thanks, bro.
We'll see you next time.
Yeah.
I'll meet you in the office.
How was it?
Oh my
How
God.
was it?
It was amazing. Yeah.
Again?
Again, I'll do it again.
Again? What? What?
You're not gonna have a fit all the way home now, are you?
Man, my legs are still like queasy right now.
That's awesome.
Okay.
He did it! Say he did it! She's like, I did it. Can you say, I'm proud of my dad?
I'm proud of Dad.
You proud of Daddy?
Proud of Daddy.
He jumped.
Dump.
No, not dump, jump.
I had a dump.
He didn't dump. You kept it all together.
I had a dump.
Yeah.
I didn't dump.
Yeah, you did it. Some people do.
I was asking.
You did not.
I was asking my guy I was jumping with. I said, "Man, some people must throw up, or like, do people throw up?" He's like, "All the time," and it goes all over me. He said, "They also piss. They poop."
Man.
And I was a little bit queasy, but obviously he didn't have any bowel movements.
You kept it together.
Yeah.
No skid mark, at least?
We'll have to check that later.
We'll find out soon. But yeah, we're proud of you, Daddy, huh?
Proud of
Thanks for the support,
You're
baby.
proud of Daddy. Yeah, that was excellent.
You're next, boo.
And you definitely do it again, right? Someday we'll do it together.
Yeah, I think it'd be so fun doing it together.
Someday we'll do it together and hold hands on the way down. Maybe with the kids too.
Wouldn't that be funny?
I don't know what's the minimum age. Is
And
it like
we'll strap
14
Brew on our
or
back.
something? All right. No, he would definitely vomit.